Live from Barb-Tech Tools today. It's been a little crazy for the last week and a half here. We've actually gone from a prototype and showing a prototype to a major supplier, then made a commitment to take a fair share of these. So we've gone from a prototype to production metal parts that had to be machined. Some of the parts are actually 3D printed because we don't have time to get a mold made. Getting the clamps here, getting them modified, labeling, finding a case that worked, getting the mandrels made that will work with this tool. All that came from suppliers that we worked with before, but they were able to turn things around really quick. So we've actually got the first 10 units that are ready to ship. So stay tuned for more. We have a lot of excitement going on here.